Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and this is the first time I'm filming in our new house. So I am going to be, testing the lighting and everything to see how it holds up. But this is just going to be a test run because I'm really excited about something I actually bought. So I have not bought scrapbooking things in so long. I haven't really been scrapbooking since finding out that I was pregnant. We ended up moving like right about the same time we found out. So I haven't been in here at all. Actually, even just to get this set up, I cleared everything off the desk and there's like piles of junk right to the side of me. So it's definitely going to be a work in progress to get this area set up. It's still super junky like I showed you in my last video, but I wanted to share this with you because I signed up for a kit club, and it wasn't just any kit club, it's a brand new one from Echo Park Paper. And if you've followed my channel for any amount of time, you know they are one of my absolute favorite paper companies. I absolutely love them. I have used their stuff for years, and most of my pattern paper is Echo Park Paper. I just absolutely love them. So when I saw them announce this kit, I signed up the first day I saw it. It's so neat because it's every other month too, so I don't feel as committed to it as I did any other kind of scrapbook kit. You know, scrapbook kits are like 30 bucks or more even, and I just could not commit that every month. But every other month I can totally commit that. I think this one was $29.99 with free shipping, so I paid literally $29.99, and I think that's awesome. Every other month, that's $15 a month. It's not going to break the bank, and it's, a 12 by 12 kit, which I just absolutely love. I love that they did the every other month thing, so it's more affordable, and I'm still getting, 12 by 12 things. I feel like most kit clubs that I've followed in the past or that I've watched in the past have canceled their 12 by 12 kits. So I was super excited to see this, and I just jumped at the chance. Now there are kit club perks like 10% off in their online store and other little perks they said that'll be along the way. But I didn't really care about that. I just cared about, the Echo Park brand stuff being shipped to my house every other month in a kit, and the price on it was really awesome. So enough about that, let's dive in and check out this first kit. This is the May kit. They say the kits ship on the 20th, but I actually got mine on the 20th. It's actually the 20th right now. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is May 20th, so I think what they said is you get the announcement the beginning of the month or right at the end of the month previous, and then they ship around the 20th. Well, I don't know if they just shipped early or they anticipate getting them to your house by the 20th, because mine arrived actually on the 20th, so we'll see in the future. By the way, their box is really nicely branded, and here's the website. They don't do any sort of referral or anything yet that I know of, but here's the info, echoparkclub.com. So I don't know if they're gonna offer perks for subscribers to give to you guys. A lot of kit clubs will give you a link, and then anybody who signs up through the link gets like 10% off, but I don't know that they're gonna do anything like that. We'll see. I'll definitely contact them about that because I would love to be able to offer you guys something. It did have a shipping insert, and then it's got some projects here for inspiration. Details, projects, which I think is really nice. It seems to be pretty nicely packed. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. My box did move around. You can see my paper got crunched. That's because there's a couple of big things in here, which I'll show you. Overall, I like the packaging. It's pretty minimal. It's all things I can shove in the recycle bin, which I like. And then these two things are not in the kit club, and I'm so glad that this stayed wrapped. I am pregnant, and my main pregnancy aversion is mint, and this is a peppermint patty, so I'm gonna give that to my husband. Thankfully I cannot smell this at all. I'm so glad that it was like really well wrapped, or else my kit would smell like peppermint and that would have been really nasty. Anyway, they also include free sample of mono adhesive, so it's a permanent little adhesive runner. They didn't say anything about something like this being included, but that's cute. It's just a little, tape runner. And then here is the actual kit itself. So I guess they ran out before I put my kit in, but they were supposed to have brads, like a pack of brads and elements, and they said pretty quickly that the kits ran out of the brads, so they were going to include the 6x6 paper. And so I got the 6x6 paper instead of the brads, which is no big deal. To be honest, I don't really use brads all that much anyway, so I can use this for card making, which will be great. We'll go ahead and flip through all the papers in this video. I'll go ahead and flip through all the papers for you guys. Just do a quick flip. And each month, or, you know, every other month when you get the kits, every month that you get the kit, it will be based on a certain collection. So this is all based on the Flower Market collection. That's really cute. I really like the floral, that one, and that little pattern specifically. That's cute. And then it came with enamel dots, which mine slid up. This is actually Cartabella, but it's Echo Park and Cartabella. They're like the same brand. And they're the enamel dots, and I do have lights on, so you might get some glare on there. And then a stamp set here. Get a piece of white paper. Olivia's been up here. She draws at my desk all the time, so she was drawing. Oh, she wrote her name. There you go. She's 4 now. So there's the stamp set, which is cute. And I don't know about their stamps. They feel like pretty good quality stamps, nice and sticky. So hopefully they're good quality. Those would be great for card making. And then a pack of ephemera. Well, I don't have to flip through it because you can see on the back there. It's got some good journaling shapes and tags, little elements, some little flags up there. Really, really cute. And then the chipboard pack. I really like their chipboard. And then a big honking pack of paper here. And then also a sticker sheet, it looks like. Let's flip through everything in here. So it looks like all of this is paper. And then you've got the element sheet. Now usually Cartabella doesn't have 2 sheets. They'll usually just have 1. So it's just a 12 by 12 full of these cardstock stickers. So they are nice and thick. Very cute. And then we'll flip through the papers. I think that's really cute. And then the floral, I really like that one. This one's called Flower Baskets. And that one with the borders, you can cut these apart and use them individually. Ooh, I love that. I'm gonna use this side. This one's called Border Strips because the other side. I like that one a lot. And the little trucks, and I guess that's gingham. I'm not exactly sure. It's called Market Trucks. And then a flower one. Ooh, and I like the polka dots. It's got kind of like a watercolor background. This one's called Market Shop. And then these are little 2x2s that you can use for journaling or just use that as a grid pattern. This one's called 2x2 squares. I like that side actually a lot. And then, ooh, I love that one. I love basic things like that. This one's called Garden Floral because of that one. See, I love both of those. I think those might be my 2 favorites. I'll have to piece that one up. Planted flowers. I like the stripes and then the florals, and it's got the pink lines behind it, which is cute. Another plaid or gingham. I really don't know the difference. We'll take journaling cards. You've got the journaling cards, which are very good for Project Life. And then this one's called Embroidery Hoops. It's got the wood on one side, and that one's really cute. You can cut these out individually and use them separately, or use them as a pattern piece. Very nice. And I really like this pattern, Market Days. And that one, I feel like that one's pretty busy, so I would just use little sections of this. And then one of my favorite ones, 3x4 journaling cards, but I like the pink. And then again with some journaling cards on there. And this one's called Flower Market Floral. Got the black and white stripe. And then another one of my favorites there. I like any of these watercolor florals. Very pretty. I do have a little girl, so these are right up my alley for scrapbooking. And I think that I could get a lot of use out of a kit this size. So in the beginning of the year, I had started doing my own kits, like putting my own kits together, and then fell off the wagon when I moved and found out I was pregnant at the same time. So what I was thinking, I would get back into scrapbooking and work on this kit for 1 month and then put my own kit together the other alternating months, since this only comes every other month. So that's my plan. Johnny, my husband, and Livy, my daughter, will both be home all of June, so I probably won't get into much in June. But I plan on working on scrapbooking definitely starting in July. I'm not committing to doing any sort of anything in June because we're going to be going on vacation, and then they're going to be home the rest of the month, and it's just kind of up in the air. But I definitely plan on getting this room together during the month of June and being able to scrapbook and come back in July for sure. I may scrapbook a little bit here and there, but I'm not committing to like trying to use this up in a month. I think I'll work on that in July, trying to use it all the way up in July as much as I can before the next kit comes. So I hope you guys liked a look at this kit. I will ask them for some sort of link for you guys and see if they offer something like that. Be sure to check out their link. I will link to their just website down below for you guys in case you're interested in signing up. I don't know that you can sign up and get this kit. I don't know if they sold out or not, but you definitely can sign up for future months. I hope you enjoyed this video. It feels really good to be back and talking about scrapbooking again, so I hope to have another video for you guys soon. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.